shit.
What is that?
Here's a better close-up. I got a little bit more adventurous. It's staying still for me so far, but look at this thing.
What the heck?
Right?
don't know
Like,
what
doesn't it look like a tarantula? I don't
No,
know.
it's
It's
not
not
shiny.
hairy, but it's huge. When she came to me crying and like going
I
into
heard
panic
screaming.
meltdown, I was like, okay, what's up with the spider?
Here, we're gonna give people a perspective. Oh, nope, never mind,
Oh,
it's moving.
where'd it go? Oh, shit. Well, there goes deciding what to do with it.
I was just playing with my
We now know
needle.
it's out there somewhere.
I was just gonna hold my lighter up to it.